Hello and welcome, this is Cheryl. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I am sharing with you the 13 Days of Craftoween Advent Calendar. This is a new Advent calendar from Spellbinders. There are 13 days in this calendar, but it's different from the 12 Days of Stitchmas or the Crafty Advent calendar that comes around Christmas time. This has 13 different folders in it, each with a Halloween die. So in this kit, there are 13 different Halloween themed die sets. There is also a coordinating stamp set that has sentiments perfect for each one of these die sets. And when you open up each one of these folders, it shows you a suggestion for the sentiment to go with that. And I have to say, they are perfect suggestions, perfect sentiments for this. I'm not allowed to open up this calendar quite yet. There's a few sneak peeks right on the back of the box showing you a couple of the things that are in the box so you get an idea of the style that is in there. But I have to say, I have been creating videos with this calendar to share with you, and I can start sharing them on August 19th. I will be able to share one video a day for 13 days, and I will open up the folder each day and share a project or create a project with you. These are not long videos, they're short videos, but they're a little bit of inspiration on what you can do with the die set that is in that folder. And then at the end, I'll just share a very simple way that I plan on storing each one of these dies. This is such a fun calendar. The dies are absolutely adorable, and I can't wait to see you on August 19th, where I'll start sharing a video a day showing you exactly what's in that particular day's folder and creating a project with it. Hope to see you then.